Hello friends! Last time I have installed the Braid web console on my R3G. I tried to flash OpenWRT but it failed. So today I'm going to try installing OpenWRT without Braid. The stock firmware is based on OpenWRT, but some functions are removed. So I will just log in the stock firmware, then use the mtd command to flash OpenWRT. If you haven't done such jobs before, I suggest you to watch this video first, because this video could help you to understand some basic stuff. Okay, let's continue. It's very easy to do. Connect the router to the internet. Connect the laptop to the router. I will use the OpenWRT invasion script to open the telnet access. The OpenWRT invasion script could trigger the device to run some commands, start a telnet service for us to connect. The script is written in Python language, so start the script with Python. It will ask for a token. The token is in the address bar or the administration web page. Log in the administration web page. Give it the token to get authorized. Then the router will download BZBox from the internet and start a telnet daemon, then we are in. You know what is BZBox, right? It is a toolbox which provides multiple tools such as telnet and zip. Make sure you have good internet connection, otherwise the script won't be able to download the BZBox. If the OpenWRT invasion script doesn't work for you, then maybe you need to switch to another version or stock firmware, because the script doesn't work on all versions of stock firmware. I'm running with the version 2.25.124 and it works well. Okay, now we are connected. I think we need to flash the two images into kernel 1 partition and root fs0 partitions. I just copy the two images to the router with a USB drive. If you don't have a USB drive, you can also transfer the files with FTP or the Python simple HTTP server. I have some other videos talking about that. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and check my other videos, learn how to transfer files with the simple HTTP server. The stock firmware has multiple partitions: kernel 0, kernel 1, root fs0, root fs1. Use the mtd command to flash the two images into kernel 1 and root fs0. Please make sure you have the knowledge to do such job, because it's possible to break the router. You do that on your own risk. Okay, now the images are written into the flash storage. We need to configure the bootloader to boot from kernel 1. If you are still using the stock bootloader, then you need to issue these two commands. Because we have two kernels to boot from, kernel 0 and kernel 1, the two commands tell bootloader we failed to boot from kernel 0. So we need to load operating system from kernel 1, and that is exactly where we have OpenWRT installed. If you forget this step, you may not be able to boot into a functional firmware. You will need to use serial console to rescue the device. If you have Braid installed like me, Just log in breed and add such environment variable. The environment variable tells breed where to boot from. We hope breed to load OpenWRT operating system from kernel 1, which is the second kernel partition. So just set the value as 2. Then the job is done. Very simple, right? Only a few things to do, then you can boot into OpenWRT. Just that you need to know all the stuff. The partitions, the bootloaders, the boot sequence, etc. If you don't know all those stuff, then this video must be difficult for you to understand. So, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have some other videos which are easier to understand. Hope you could enjoy. Bye bye!